everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide all reminders on Google Calendar apps. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Calendar apps, and then in here, it's so simple. You just click on three lights icon at the top right. At the top left, and then in here you can swipe down. If you wanna hide all reminders, you just uncheck in on reminders, uncheck, and then finish like this, and uncheck and finish. So that's how to hide all the reminders. And then I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.